Hello, good evening, everybody. There has been disappointments in friends, family, and even situations in our lives, but there's good luck coming your way. And the spirits say that a new opportunity will bring you closer to your goals. They say your potential is endless. You must think on your feet and co create with spirit. And don't let anyone coerce you into doing something that you know is wrong for you. There is a happy surprise coming your way. Something very good is going to happen very soon. Your heart is filled with love, deep affection, and caring, and there is romance in the air. A magical moment is going to change everything for you. Be ready and slow down and celebrate yourself. Slow and steady wins the race. Simplify your life, but stay open to infinite possibilities. Believe in yourself. See yourself doing well, and you will do well. You have deep personal strength and peace that assures success, but they want you to be careful. Do not take risks. Embrace calm and clarity. Let your intuition guide you. You can trust again. Take a leap of faith, claim your power, and stand up for yourself. They say just be yourself. You're a great person. Enjoy being you. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.